A large number of women and representatives from the Meitei and Naga communities today staged a sit-in protest in the middle of the road near Pallel, Kaithel, supporting the NRC movement spearheaded by the Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation (JFD). Representatives of 11 Naga tribes, the Pallel Paibi, and multiple CSOs took part in the demonstration, during which local shops and business establishments remained shut. Speaking on the sidelines, Maring Nupia Union President Julie Aling strongly opposed the government's plan to conduct a census before implementing the NRC in the state. She urged the government to understand public sentiments and update the Manipur NRC before holding census operations, adding that indigenous communities would never compromise on the matter. Pallel Apunba Paibi Loop Finance Secretary Romita Laimapokpam also expressed strong apprehension that conducting a census before an NRC updation would result in registering a large number of illegal immigrants as genuine citizens.
Thokliba thaudokse akhoi supen pende NRC tawdana census tawgani haiba wafamse akhoi supya yaningde aduna lairiba Manipur gi sarkar amasu lairiba laingak pairiba misingna ngasi asigi thaudok tawbse akhoi supen pende adunina NRC tawdana census tawgani haiba asoi supya yaningde asida akhoi compromise tawroi aduga athuba matamda asigi niyom se sarkarna chumna chathabiyo haibase akhoi gi maikai digi amu han ngasi Pallel area gi yelhaumi pulap ka pullaga ngasi akhoi asigi matang sida sitting protest tawjabani
Laiba akoibda laiba maringi organization tarama thoi punna khamjari basa siguma sarkar gi mathong satba thong haijage siguma singje tor tanabgi damakta ngasi thawak sang yauna mayam je thoga tawjari bane aduna census haiba sithi haiba sidi aikoi asyangba citizen ama oibado adu khak thiga dabada mitop tagi sangak mitop mayam ama sangaga laiba singsi yauna census thizen bata bane bamoina NRC tawdradi aduna NRC haiba se tangai phadana ahan bada tawdraga di hariba census thiba je sungya yaro haiba se side